What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So if you've seen any of my past videos, you know that I am on a constant search for the best online banking and investing platforms. And today I want to introduce you to one of my personal favorites that I have been a longtime customer of, and that is SoFi. I've mentioned this platform here on the channel before, but this is by far the most comprehensive platform that I have ever seen that not only gives you access to modern banking services, but also the ability to invest, borrow, save, and track every aspect of your financial health. So today, let's break down exactly what is included with this free SoFi Money account, look at how it stacks up against some of the competition that is currently on the market, and how you can get $150 absolutely free from SoFi by simply watching this video to the end. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you do enjoy today's video, since that's the easiest way for you to support my channel, and let's jump right into it. So SoFi has actually been around for a lot longer than you may think, since it was founded in 2011, which actually makes it older than some of the more popular platforms like Robinhood. When they started, they were simply focused on being a student loan lender, but in recent years they have grown exponentially and have really expanded into new services, which include SoFi Money and SoFi Investing. Now, both of these services are great, but today I want to specifically focus on SoFi Money and show you why I personally believe that this is the best online banking platform available right now. Similar to a lot of other online banking platforms, the SoFi Money account comes with no fees, including no overdraft fees, no minimum balance fees, no random account fees, and even no ATM fees worldwide. That's right, they will reimburse any and all ATM fees on any ATM worldwide that is on the MasterCard network of ATMs. On top of that, you can also get checks for absolutely free simply by going to their website and ordering them to your address. And you also get the standard account number and routing number, meaning that you can set up things like direct deposit and even make automatic bill payments and investments. Now, similar to every other checking and savings account recently, the interest rate has gone down due to some recent events, but the interest rate for this account used to offer 2.25 APY and currently sits at 0.2%. The reason I mentioned the past APY is because it's very likely that once interest rates recover as a whole, the SoFi Money interest rate will go up and return to somewhere around that 2.25%. And if you're watching this well after I'm posting this on May 31st, 2020, then be sure to check what the current SoFi Money rate is. However, for the time being, 0.2% honestly isn't that bad when compared to some other online platforms, and while you probably could get a higher rate at a local credit union, it's still higher than the 0.01% at your average small town bank. Plus, the user interface and the countless member benefits that come along with this free account are really worth a lot more than a slightly higher interest rate, in my opinion. So as you may know, SoFi used to be partnered with Visa, who was the first one to issue the SoFi debit card, but they have recently left their partnership with Visa and have now partnered with MasterCard, which has come with a lot of great new benefits. And honestly, a lot of these benefits I have never seen before on a debit card. These include things like discounts on airport concierge services and cashback on things that you probably already use on a day-to-day basis, including DoorDash, Spotify, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and a bunch of other services. You also get extended warranty protection that doubles the original manufacturer or store brand warranty on your purchased items, and purchase protection, which covers up to $1,000 for lost or stolen goods within 90 days of purchasing. You can also get a sign-up bonus of $75 for the SoFi Money account and $75 for the SoFi Investing account if you use a referral link, meaning you can get $150 just for opening these accounts with them. I'll talk more about that at the end of the video, but my referral link is down in the description if you do want to get that money for free. This sort of thing is often only associated with a credit card that typically has a high annual fee, and the fact that SoFi includes this with their free debit card service is honestly kind of crazy and is one of the many reasons that I personally think that this account is far better than its competition. Also, if you are curious, this is what the new debit card looks like, and you just simply activate it through the app and then use it to spend anywhere that MasterCard is accepted, which is pretty much everywhere. Now, myself and many others were once skeptical of these online banking services, since a lot of them were not FDIC insured when they were first released, including a lot of large names like Robinhood. And while many of these competitors have fixed this issue, SoFi is FDIC insured up to $1.5 million, which is significantly higher than the typical FDIC insurance of $250,000 on your standard bank account. SoFi is able to accomplish this by spreading your money across several different partner banks, giving it a much higher threshold of FDIC insurance and access to the best interest rate at any time. Also, if you have no idea what FDIC insurance is, it simply protects your money in the case that your bank goes out of business or if they're misappropriating funds, and keeps you from losing your money at the hands of poor decision making by your bank. So having $1.5 million in FDIC insurance simply means that you have nothing to worry about and your money is not going to mysteriously vanish overnight. Another important change that has occurred literally in the past few days is an increase to their ATM and peer-to-peer transfer limits, which used to be pretty low and were a common criticism of the SoFi Money account. However, just a few days ago, they increased the ATM withdrawal limit to $1,000 per day, the peer-to-peer transfer limit to $1,000 per day, which is basically Venmo or Google Pay, and they also increased the daily spending limit on the debit card to $6,000 per day. Now, some of you may think that this is still way too low, and some of you may think that this is more money than you've seen in your entire life. And that brings me to a very important point, and that is, who is this account for? If you're watching this and you have several $1 million in the bank, or even several $100,000, then you probably have a large portion of your money invested, spread across several different banks, or professionally managed in some way. But if you're an average, everyday person who simply wants quick and easy access to your money and a modern and easy-to-use platform to keep track of your financial health, then SoFi Money is the perfect platform for you. SoFi has invested an incredible amount of time and money into making the best and most comprehensive financial app that I have ever seen. For example, you may have heard of Mint before, which I am also a huge supporter of and have used their service in the past, and Mint allows you to track your spending habits and keep tabs on your overall credit score and financial health. But they are not a banking service and they don't allow you to spend your money in any way. Well, SoFi has all of those features and allows you to categorize your spending, keep track of your credit score, but also gives you the ability to spend your money through their platform. I'm sure you're also familiar with Robinhood that we just talked about, which is a well-known investing platform that recently unveiled a similar cash management feature that allows you to have a debit card and spend just like SoFi. However, at the moment, Robinhood does not offer any way to track your spending habits or keep track of your credit score, while SoFi offers all of these things that I just mentioned and also has a fantastic investing section under the same exact application that I will probably do an entire video on in the future. Plus, one of the largest criticisms of Robinhood is that there is no way to call someone on the phone if you are having any problems. But SoFi offers a toll-free call center 5 days per week on top of their email and in-app customer service features. If you're familiar with Acorns and their platform Acorns Spend, then you may be wondering why I prefer SoFi over that platform, which offers many similar services. Well, there are two main reasons. First of all, as the name suggests, with Acorn Spends, in order to get the full or maximum benefit, you have to spend money each month, and you also only get free ATM access and spending services within the United States. While with SoFi, these benefits extend worldwide. On top of all of that, you can also borrow money with them, which was really the foundation of their business model as we talked about earlier. They offer a number of different loans, including student loans, home loans, personal loans, and a bunch of other lending services that you can check out through the same exact application as everything else that we've talked about so far. So if this platform is so fantastic, then why isn't it as well known as some of the other platforms like Robinhood or Mint? Well, like I said, SoFi was started as a student loan lender strictly, and has really only recently gotten into the banking and investing side of things. And while they are a little bit late to the party, they have clearly done their research and have developed an online platform that is really miles ahead of their competitors and really encompasses all of the best features of those competitors under one umbrella. The ability to do all of those things that we talked about under one easy-to-use platform is really unheard of. Plus, the card benefits that you get from MasterCard through this account are honestly hard to believe, since like I said before, these are often benefits that are usually only associated with a paid credit card. Plus, we've only really talked about the SoFi Money side of things, but as we'll look at in another video, the SoFi investing feature is also top-notch and even gives you access to real financial advisors for absolutely free, which is again really hard to believe, but is a fantastic service that comes with the SoFi investing platform. Now, with all of that being said, I think it's really important to mention that I am not associated with SoFi in any way, and I'm not being paid to make this video. I really just think this is a fantastic platform that encompasses many of the best features of the competitors that you probably use already. So if you do see value in this platform, then be sure to use the first link in the description to get $150 for free when you do get a SoFi Money and SoFi investing account. If you don't see value in this platform, that is totally okay, and let me know what platform you prefer down in the comment section below, because I really am curious, and like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm always on the lookout for the best banking and investing platforms. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you did enjoy today's video, since that is the easiest way for you to support my small channel. Thank you so much for your time. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.